Good morning, guys. In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So this is the panel that we need to open. You can do it via messages or browser, search button, whatever. Then tap on settings icon and select languages. Click on add keyboard. Here you can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or you can enter the preferred language in search area. Then click on done, and now decide if you want to stay with one language only or more. To remove some language, just tap on edit, mark it, and then delete. Let me stay with both. Now go back, and as you can see here, we've got this word icon, by tapping on which we can switch between languages smoothly. So this is it. If you will have one language only, this word icon will disappear and you will have one keyboard only. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.